Over the past few years, the topic of survival and being a prepper has seen a huge increase in popularity. This has inspired the creation of many survival guides and programs. Most are just untested theory, however, and some are downright ridiculous with tips on surviving a zombie attack and other such nonsense. In reality, natural disasters, terrorist threats, and food shortages are much more likely than a situation that resembles The Walking Dead. This being the case, Cellar is one of the best-selling survival guides on the market right now. It has sold thousands of copies and has many positive reviews. Written by survival expert Tom Griffith, this book is an extensive and comprehensive look into the world of survival. It covers a wide range of very important topics to ensure you have that edge to survive when things go sideways. The information is in-depth and varied enough to make this an excellent reference guide for any survival enthusiast, regardless of experience. Let's examine this product in greater detail and see why it's right for you. Here's why you will love Cellar. One of the biggest selling points of Cellar is that it teaches you how to build a bunker. Most survival guides only mention stockpiling food and supplies in your own home, but this guide takes it to the next level. You'll be better prepared by having a plan B, because putting all your eggs in one basket is never a good idea. You are taught food preservation techniques such as preserving meat and more. In the event of an EMP, electromagnetic pulse, attack, all your electronic items will be rendered useless. At that point, your refrigerator will be no better or more effective than a cardboard box. During times like these, what you learn in Cellar will help you to make your food supplies last without a fridge. The program also includes video instructions to better explain things, and so you will have both the written word and visual explanations to guide you, which is the best of both worlds. The importance of water can never be overestimated. Cellar will show you how to store enough water so that your family and you will never run short during a crisis. This information is priceless. Cellar will help you stay safe from looters and intruders when law enforcement collapses during a crisis. If your house is unsafe during a hurricane, the bunker that Cellar shows you how to build will keep you safe. All the information in this book is simple and easy to follow. The conversational tone in the book keeps it interesting while it's being informative. It covers many different aspects of survival. There are also tips here that will be of use to the most experienced preppers too. The product also has 2 free bonuses: 56 items to stockpile in your Cellar and America's Natural Nuclear Bunkers. Find the closest one to your home. Both these bonuses are excellent and highly useful. The product has a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not pleased with it, there is no risk. You can always ask for a refund. Here's what you need to know about Cellar. There is a lot of information to digest here, and it can be overwhelming. You'll need to read it slowly and take it one step at a time. Do not toss it aside because there's too much to cover. Even reading 10 pages a day will help you complete it in no time at all. Knowledge alone will not suffice. You need to follow the instructions and take action. The bunker will not build itself. You'll learn best with hands-on experience, so plan on having to do some work to be prepared. You can only purchase Cellar online. You'll need a computer and an internet connection to both purchase and access this program. Here's why you should buy Cellar today. If you are a survivalist or prepper and you want to be ready for any crisis or catastrophe, you definitely should get Cellar. The information is extremely useful and reliable. This is real-world information that works. The best time to prepare is now, and getting Easy Cellar today will mean that you can start working on your bunker and other survival tasks to ensure that you're better prepared. This book is one of the best investments you could ever make. Get it today and start getting your bunker ready tomorrow.